Maya loved rainy days more than anything. While other children complained about not being able to play outside, Maya would press her nose against the window and watch the raindrops race down the glass. Each raindrop is like a little world, she would tell her mom. I can see stories in them. Maya's teacher, Ms. Johnson, noticed that sometimes Maya would stare out the window during class, even when it wasn't raining. Maya, she would say gently, could you please join us back on planet Earth? The other children would giggle, but Maya didn't mind. Her thoughts were just too interesting sometimes. At home, Maya's room was full of collections, shiny rocks, colorful buttons, feathers, and bits of string. Each item had a special place. Maya, dinner's ready, her dad called one evening. But Maya couldn't come just yet. She needed to arrange her buttons in perfect rows of colors. Sometimes, Maya's thoughts raced so fast that she couldn't catch them all. Words and ideas would zoom around her head like speedy race cars. When this happened, Maya would talk really fast about all her exciting ideas. I'm going to build a rainwater collector that turns rain into music, and then the music will feed the plants, and the plants will grow into musical instruments, and… Slow down, sweetie, her mom would say with a smile. One idea at a time. Some days, Maya felt like she could do anything. On these days, she would barely sleep but never felt tired. She would build enormous blanket forts that took up the whole living room, start painting 3 pictures at once, or make up songs that lasted for hours. Maya has so much energy, people would say. But other days were different. On these days, Maya felt heavy, like her body was made of stones. Getting out of bed felt impossible. Colors didn't seem as bright. Even her beloved rain didn't make her happy. I don't want to go to school today, she would whisper. I'm just so tired. These days were confusing because they felt so different from her super energy days. Maya's parents noticed these big changes in how she felt and acted. Sometimes she was the most excited kid in the world, and other times she was very sad for days. Let's talk to Dr. Rivera, they suggested. He helps kids understand their feelings. Maya wasn't sure. What if he thinks I'm weird? No one thinks you're weird, said Dad, giving her a hug. Your brain just works in its own special way. Dr. Rivera's office had soft chairs and lots of toys. Maya liked how Dr. Rivera listened carefully to everything she said without rushing her. Maya, can you tell me about your super energy days and your heavy days? Dr. Rivera asked. Maya explained how sometimes her thoughts raced like shooting stars, and other times they moved like slow-motion turtles. After a few visits, Dr. Rivera explained something important to Maya and her parents. Maya's brain works in a special way, he said. It's like having seasons inside your mind, sometimes bright sunny summers and sometimes quieter winters. Maya thought about this. Like rain and sunshine? Exactly, smiled Dr. Rivera. Both are normal parts of weather, just like your different feelings are normal parts of you. Dr. Rivera helped Maya learn about her unique brain. He explained that medicine could help keep Maya's feelings more balanced, and talking about her feelings would help too. Your brain is like a beautiful garden with unique flowers, said Dr. Rivera. We just need to learn how to take care of it. Maya liked that idea. She was good at taking care of things. At school, Maya's teacher learned about Maya's special brain too. She helped by giving Maya a quiet corner where she could go when her thoughts got too buzzy. Maya's friends didn't treat her differently. They still loved playing with her and hearing her amazing stories. Today, Maya still loves the rain. She still collects treasures and has amazing ideas. Sometimes she still has super energy days and heavy days, but now she understands why. My brain works differently, Maya tells her new friend at school. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's rainy, but that's just how my weather works. Her friend nods. I like both sunny days and rainy days, she says. Just like I like all the different sides of you. Maya knows that having bipolar disorder is just one part of who she is, like having curly hair or being good at drawing. Bipolar disorder means my feelings go up and down more than most people's, Maya explained to her class during sharing time. But with help from my doctor, my family, and friends like you, I'm learning how to ride the waves. She smiled as she looked outside where the sun was shining through the rain, creating a beautiful rainbow. And that makes me perfectly, wonderfully myself. The end.